At Siyam, we ensure we deliver our commitment to sustainable and conscious dining, thus the creation of our plant-based bliss.
What excites me the most is to cater the guest with our plant-based menu. We are very fortunate that we have our garden as well, which has been taken care by our chef's team. So from there, we pick all the fresh vegetable leaves, which we include in our menu.
Me kage ki ahan wara sagapi duas waru gawahe ki huriha family rattihinna ettanegga tidegen farikulu atanenge kage benuke kus divehi kaaki tayyar kurma gestuna saw kurma me resort anga semon tafat experience ebutuge ahar me divehi kaaki to benu karne.
So we have one cooking class as well every Friday. Guests can join with us. We will make authentic Maldivian dishes. This is one of the signature movements.
Inspired by our chefs, guided by the Maldivian spirit, we're crafting a greener, more flavorful future. One that celebrates passion, purpose, and the true taste of our islands.